Hi, I'm Kat Young, and I've seen some of the great wonders of the world. I've also been to more than 70 countries. With that, I've had my share of adventures. I love helping people get the most out of their trips. I'll share tips and tricks that I've learned over the years so that you can avoid feeling stressed and overwhelmed before you go, as well as once you arrive. I want to give you ideas on how to solve some of your travel problems, make easier and more efficient itineraries, help you have fun, laugh at yourself, enjoy yourself, and really push you to get the most out of your travel experience. I'll also take you on the road with me so that you can see some of the intriguing places I find myself in. Your travel doesn't need to be perfect. I know mine never is. Let me help you navigate the twists and turns of travel so that you can discover the silver lining in just about any travel situation you find yourself in. Come on, let's go. I like that one.